Poolin EOX Embroidery Machine is absolutely worth buying for anyone serious about embroidery. If you are curious about the latest price of this embroidery machine, you can check it out from the description below. This model stands out immediately with its powerful 15-needle setup, giving you the freedom to run complex multicolor designs without constant manual thread changes. The 14x 20-inch embroidery area is another major advantage, offering plenty of space to work on hoodies, jackets, pants, caps, or even larger custom projects. What makes it feel even more convenient is the Institch i5 touchscreen, which keeps the workflow smooth whether you're new to embroidery or already experienced. The performance does not disappoint either. Thanks to its full metal body, the machine stays stable even at high speeds, reducing vibration and helping stitches land exactly where they should. Running up to 1,200 stitches per minute, it has the speed needed for commercial tasks while still giving consistent quality. The automatic color change and thread trimming are big time savers, especially for people handling multiple orders or detailed designs. Wi-Fi upload also adds modern convenience, making it simple to bring new patterns directly into the machine. Like any professional embroidery machine, it has a learning curve, especially for beginners, and its heavy all-metal construction means it takes up space and requires a sturdy surface. But the brand balances this with one-on-one training, detailed videos, and a full accessories kit that helps you get started right away. For anyone wanting reliable results at home or for a small embroidery business, the Poolin EOX offers strong value and long-term durability. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want more details or updated pricing, as it helps you decide confidently before making the upgrade.